Welcome to a thrilling journey through time and style as we explore the vintage cars owned by some of the most famous people in history. Imagine the roar of a classic engine, the gleam of polished chrome, and the stories that these timeless machines could tell. From Hollywood legends to rock stars, these vehicles are more than just cars. They're a glimpse into the lives of the extraordinary individuals who drove them. Stay with us as we unveil 8 legendary vintage cars that belong to iconic figures. Trust me, you won't want to miss a moment. Each car has its own captivating tale waiting to be discovered. Our first stop is fashion mogul RalphLauren, who owns an exquisite 1950 Jaguar XK120 Roadster. This stunning car is not just a piece of automotive history, it's a work of art. With its sleek lines and powerful engine, the XK120 became a symbol of elegance post-World War II. Lauren's custom-painted version, known as British Racing Green with a Twist, showcases his impeccable taste and love for classic design. Next up is comedian and car aficionado Jay Leno, whose collection boasts over 180 vehicles. Among his treasures is a rare 1909 Baker Electric. This car is remarkable not only for its age but also for its maintenance-free electric design, perfectly ahead of its time. Leno often drives this beauty around Los Angeles, proving that classic cars can still shine in today's world. Now, let's talk about Jerry Seinfeld, who is famous for his love of Porsches. One standout in his impressive collection is the 1959 Porsche 718 RSK, known for its racing pedigree and stunning design. Seinfeld often shares his passion for vintage cars on his show Comedians in Cars Getting Coffee, where he effortlessly combines humor with automotive admiration. Hollywood star Nicolas Cage owns one of the most iconic cars in film history, the Aston Martin DB5. Famously featured in James Bond films, this car embodies luxury and sophistication. Cage's DB5 is not just a collector's item, it's a piece of cinematic legacy that showcases the allure of vintage automobiles on the big screen. Next on our list is actor JohnTravolta, who has an impressive collection that includes a luxurious Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. Known for its opulence and comfort, this car reflects Travolta's taste for elegance. With its plush interiors and classic design, the Silver Shadow has been a favorite among celebrities since its release in the 1960s. Let's not forget Brad Pitt and his stunning Jaguar E-Type. Often hailed as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, the E-Type combines style with performance. Pitt's love for classic cars mirrors his passion for artistry. This vehicle isn't just transportation, it's an expression of individuality and sophistication. Next up is GeorgeClooney, who treasures his family heirloom, a striking 1958 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. This car represents more than just speed, it symbolizes nostalgia and family history. Clooney often takes this beauty out for leisurely drives, reminding us all that vintage cars are meant to be enjoyed. Finally, we have Maroon 5 frontman Adam Levine with his beloved 1958 Porsche 356A convertible. Known for its sleek design and exceptional performance, this Porsche reflects Levine's refined taste in automobiles. His passion for classic Porsches stems from family ties, making this car not only a prized possession, but also a cherished memory. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating ride through history as we explored the vintage cars owned by some of the most famous people. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive elegance and celebrity culture, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. What vintage car would you love to own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving classic.